Do you make less than $5,000 per month, like 80% of the people who watch my videos on YouTube? I bet you, if so, an extra $500 per week would be helpful to you. That is why I wanted this video to teach you how to do that pretty simply. And this isn't some scheme or some sort of shady thing. I've built a reputation over the past few years. I have invested more than $30 million into 200 companies led by underrepresented founders. I call them underestimated. I have a whole story. You can Google it. I have two books, including this one in the background here. And there's a whole story about it. But I love teaching entrepreneurs how to make money, and I think that's the most sustainable way for me to be impactful to you. So that's what I'm doing here. I want to share my screen so I can show you what I've done. I have a few memberships on a platform called School. You may have heard of it. It is with a K, School with a K. I have my Arlan's All Access platform there. I have Inner Circle, all types of really cool things. But I also have this membership that is called List Builder Pro. If you go to listbuilder.pro, you can check it out for yourself, but I'll show you here. So this is behind the scenes. This is actually what it looks like to me. When you go to the About page, right here where it says settings is where it's going to have a yellow box that says $9 per month to join. And so this is a $9 at the time of this recording, $9 per month or $50 per year membership. And I have some of our kind of traction that members are getting. You can pause that if you want to read that. And I show more of that because it really does show you that this works. And what this is a membership that teaches you how to add 1,000 emails to your list. This video is not about getting you to join this. I'm showing you the behind the scenes because I make a pretty cool amount of money with this membership. It's a low ticket membership, meaning that it costs less than $10 a month or $50 a year. That's pretty low barrier to entry. And almost anybody could start a membership with that type of pricing, as long as what I'm going to show you happens. Now, what is the secret ingredient? You have this community. You can see how many people have posted. You see how many members I have. But if you go into the classroom, you see there are these modules here. What I do is I tell you, like, as soon as you join, the person who joins gets to have a transformation quickly. It is a very valuable transformation because if you know anything about the industry standards for emails and newsletters, you are supposed to be able to make about $1 at least per person on your email list per month. So it starts adding up that you have. So if you're someone who has no one on your list or you have just a few people on your list, getting to 1,000 in the 90 days, the full 90 days here, 30 and 60, could be very valuable to you. It's worth 12,000 or more per year. So paying $9 a month doesn't hurt that. So I have this very clear and valuable transformation. I've spent maybe 4 to 6 hours building this originally a few months ago, and you go in and there's some videos, there's some written things, there are templates, scripts. It doesn't take a lot of time to build, but you do have to have something valuable. What's more important is that the time for someone to have a transformation is pretty fast. So this is 30 days and this is 60 days. To be able to have a email list that is paying you $12,000 or more in just 90 days is pretty awesome. Then you have members and a leaderboard and all of that. Now I'm going to show you even more behind the scenes. I'm going to go into the settings and take you into my dashboard. This shows you my MRR, my monthly recurring revenue. So every month, without doing anything else, I get $880. And that's on a low ticket membership. My conversion rate is very high on this membership. There's even free trials, the ability to do free trials. We have 4 in progress. I should mention at this point that I do not spend more than 15 minutes a week on this membership because I built everything and I did it all at the beginning. Now, here's the interesting part. Payouts. I did the math yesterday, and this is about $6,000 over about a four. It worked out to about $400 on average each week. And this is called the $500 week. So not only am I getting paid every single Wednesday here that comes out, get paid it's by school, but I also have a little bit of affiliate market. So you choose your email platform. For instance, I link to my kit affiliate and to my school affiliate. And that equals the kit and the school from this alone equals about $100 a week in an income. So that works out to about $500 per week for having something that takes me maybe an hour per month, and it took me maybe 5 hours to launch on average. And I have a good time with it. There are people in it who are very important, and I'm very excited for their progress. A sample of my new workbook. I need help with something. I have questions. I did it. 15 emails at the weekends market. People are having, conversations with each other, and it's really helping each other. You can also, with school, you can also add right here a calendar section that lets you have live calls. And really, the point is to think about when you're thinking about there are multiple ways to work with a membership. There is a higher ticket, like a mid ticket, which Arlen's All Access is $100 a month. That would be more like a mid ticket. There is a high ticket where I have like a 5,000 a year. I also have $1,000 lifetime one. I also recommend, highly, highly recommend a free membership. So you're paying for the membership, but it's free for people to join. And that's like the ultimate hack. I even have that. Let me show you what I mean. I even have that in this classroom as an epic hack. Let me see if I can find it quickly. Free membership, ultimate lead magnet. Because when you have that free membership, you could actually, like, you're not going to make money every time somebody joins, but you could actually get on calls with some of your free members, or even have like a webinar or live sessions on that calendar, or make some pinned posts and say, hey, I do one-on-one consulting, or I have this course that I can upsell in the classroom. Because all those courses were free, but I could easily say this course costs $30 or this costs $100 or whatever. So there's multiple ways to use a free membership, and I talk about that so much on my YouTube channel and in Arlen's All Access. I teach an entire course about it. But for now, for this video, I want you to think about what could you have as your membership that the membership cost is $10, $5 to $10 per month. You don't want to do this is important. You don't want to do a $1, $2, $3 membership. It just is it's worth it takes something for somebody to take their credit card out, to actually want to pay you for something, especially if they don't know you. So why do it at this bulk rate where you have to get thousands of people to join for it to do anything? I would say the least you want to do is five. I would do the $9. The $9 has been really interesting. And I believe if I spent, instead of an hour every month on it, I would, if I spent, let's say I spent 8 hours a month on it, I think I could double or triple what I'm making because I would just put more effort into it. I use it as a case study to show you that it can be done. So I don't spend a ton of effort on it, but it is a super valuable membership. So why not? Right. So, what could you teach someone that is not like, life altering? It's going to take you need a medical degree to do it, but it would help someone. It would give them some sort of win, some sort of boost, something that would be helpful to them. And it doesn't even have to be something where you're spending a lot of time nurturing it. It's a lesson, it is a skill, something in the languages, something in when it comes to eating better, or something when it comes to certain like woodworking or painting or a dance or something, anything that you have a talent with. Let me know in the comments what you might be able to do, because I think this is where we get the juices flowing. And if you think about, oh, well, and I could set this up. You get a 14-day free trial on school. You can use my links. You can go to arlensallaccess.com. I teach you all about how to do this. You can do it on your own. But you have that 14 days, just, even if you don't use my link, you have that 14 days to build something. and just kind of start working on it. Do you do a free membership? Do you do a low ticket like I'm talking about today? But wouldn't it be fun to have that membership, $9 a month, and then maybe $7 a month, whatever number you come up with? The key, here's the key, have that yearly price too. So price anchor it with that $7 or $9, and then say for $80 a year, or for 60, or for even 50, like I did, you can have it for the whole year. And that's when you have that 2x or so, 2 or 2.5x upfront capital. What I would love for you to do, if you are getting value from this video, is to please subscribe to my channel. We did this big experiment a few weeks ago with one of my videos. It was so cool, where I just simply asked you to subscribe if you're getting value, to see if it would help the YouTube algorithm. And boy, did it. I've had nearly 400,000 views on that video just by asking. So if you're seeing this right now and you're not subscribed, please subscribe below. It's easy to do. Or if you're watching this on TV, it's above. Check it out. Just subscribe. You can see all of my videos. They're really valuable. I treat my YouTube channel like it's a paid course that someone has paid thousands of dollars to join, even though it's free. And I give you all of my information. Like, I give you so much valuable information. If you're learning how to make money, if you're learning how to build wealth, if you're learning how to invest, I'm teaching that. I'm teaching that on a regular basis, multiple videos per week. So it's well worth to subscribe. Also, send this to somebody you want to see win. Now, going back to, what do you think your membership would be about? Now, here's another cool hack. I started thinking of my membership not as only a membership, but as a community. So you're thinking, oh, I don't know if I could do a membership. I don't know if I want to sell like that. What if you just thought about, what type of community would I like to have? If I had 20 people in it, 50 people, 100 people in it, what community would I like to be a part of and have and host? Is there a hobby of yours? Is there a skill that you have? Is there something that you've learned along the way? If you're somebody who makes more than $5,000 a month, and you're not, in the category that I said earlier, and you're working somewhere, you're a career professional, or you're some sort of executive, or a creative, or any of that, and you're thinking through, yours could be, hey, it's more volume. We can get up to 1,000 a week. We can do more than that. You might even try the free membership version before you try the low ticket, and go there. So there's all these different things, and you, because of that experience you have very specific things that you could teach someone. And I think people overthink the what. They overthink, like, oh, I don't know what to teach. You understand what I'm teaching in that List Builder Pro is, how do you add more emails to your list? So I learned that, and then I taught it. It wasn't like I had to go through 4 years of education for it, go and spend $100,000. I learned a skill that I know is helpful for other people. I spent the time, I gave my valuable time to it, and then I synthesized and summarized that learning to make it easier for someone else. And they paid and continue to pay for that convenience and that information. So instead, if you're thinking, this is way above, I don't know if I could do this, instead of thinking about, oh, I want to teach them this, and that because that'll be more valuable, think about just the one thing. Because people don't pay for a bunch of information. People don't want to just be bombarded with information. They want a transformation that helps them fast. So if you can help someone learn how to paint quickly, or learn how to do their taxes fast, or learn how to do something, edit a video, or do grant writing quickly. Let me show you what I learned. I learned, like, for instance, you could say I spent the last 10 years doing grant writing for other people and for myself, and I learned a lot about it. I am going to have a 3-part classroom that teaches you what you need to know, how you do it, and what the resources are. Here's my fast track. Think of it like that, fast track. What can I fast track the learning to? And make it presentable, make it easy for people to read or view it. Put your heart into it. If they're paying $9 a month, pretend they're paying $9,000 a month. Put your heart into it. Give it high quality, but you don't have to throw everything in the kitchen sink in. And that means you'll get it going sooner, and that means that you'll get people paying sooner. There's all kinds of information about the traffic, like how do I get people to see my offer? How do I convert? How do I do sales? All of that information. I have different playlists on my YouTube channel. So just click on my name on the YouTube channel, go to my different playlists, and I walk you through all of this for free. And I hope it's been helpful. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you soon.